Okay, we're back. We had Dr. Heights. I don't know if you heard the fire drill go off, but we just had a fire drill. It's a little chilly outside, isn't it, Quentin? Yes. Yeah, I know. It takes a little bit to warm up. So, there were a couple other words. Was there anything else you circled? What were these words that you circled? Like? You had that one right, though, when you read it. And what's this word?
These.
Yep. The. Yep. So one of the really only, I'll flip on this page. You got those all right? Looks like for mine too. So overall, you did an awesome job. High five. Good job. I like that you are self-correcting, which means that you say it wrong, but then you figure out that it doesn't sound right. Let me go back. I know now it's almost recess. Right?
Oh, it's past 1:30.
Did they go out yet? Not yet.
I bet they did, because I have recess at 1:30.
Okay. Well, we'll just finish up here. We're going to try to at least get a little bit of our writing done, okay? Otherwise, we'll do it for next time.
I don't care if I miss recess. I just want to be warm.
I know. It's cold out there anyways, right? Mm-hmm. Okay. The other thing that we're going to work on today is a new strategy called QAR. Now, I have this for you. And to do the QAR, Q stands for question, A stands for answer, and R is relationship. You can see it right here. Question, answer, relationship. So we're going to work on some questions that are called right there questions. What do you think those might be if they're called right there questions?
Answer is right.
Mm-hmm.
Answer is right there in one scene text.
Very good. It's right there. You can just read the text and you can find it. So let's see. And then today we're just going to talk about right there questions. The next time we meet, we're going to talk about some think and search questions. What do you think and search questions might be? Think and search. What does that make you think you might be doing when you're having?
Answer is in the story, but in different places. You need to put them together. Very
good. So you have to look a little bit before you answer the questions. Okay, so we're going to use the book that we read today, and I want you to, we're going to go to a page, and if the question is, what are the holes in the beehive called?
Cells.
Very good. So see how you could find it? Right there, cells. Do you think you can find through here if I say a bee, what is a bee's home called? What would you tell me? Excellent. See how it's right there. I can prove it. There it is, hive. Let's see if I could say what is food for bees?
Honey.
Very good. Can you show me where you found it?
I have to look at it.
You're so smart. Can you think of a right there question that you can ask me from the book?
On this page?
From any of the pages.
Where do bees go to get their honey?
And they go to flower. Where do they go to get their honey, or get the nectar?
To get the nectar.
They go to flowers. Right? Okay. And what are the bees doing when they're going to flower?
Going around the flower.
And what's that called? They say that they're actually
trying.
And they're working, right? Because there's the word right there. So when we talked about the bee movie, one of the last times when we read it, that in that movie, they show that if you don't have the bees collecting the nectar, what will happen to the flowers?
They'll die.
Yep, they will. Okay, we're going to kind of move ahead here, and we're going to look at your writing. Remember when we met the one time, and you had your hamburger writing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And can you tell me what this said? We're going to keep this. And can you read that, what you said?
Snowboarding is fun because you can go fast.
Very good. And then what does detail look like?
You need
the. There's a T there.
You need the.
You need the. See where there's your T. It's just over a little bit. You need the.
Snow and ice to go to get together in
order
to go fast.
Very good. And what's this one say?
You can go up ramp.
Up.
A ramp. You to get back up.
Very good. And what's this one say?
You can go snowboarding with friends.
Good.
Snowboarding is a fun sport.
Okay. I want to look first at this word right here. What's this word supposed to be?
Because.
All right. And if you look at this one, this is one I did. See this word right here? And see it here? What's that word?
Snowboarding.
And how do we spell snowboarding?
SNOWBOARDING.
And what's this letter here? Snowboarding. So what letter is that? B. And what did you, I think you said D. Remember the trick I showed you? Okay, and which one's B? Bed. Put B and D to bed, right? So snowboarding. Can you write snowboarding? Make sure you spell it correctly. Put it on your word wall, on your S there. Very good. Okay. And then let's look at your next. Oh, and then what's this word?
Because.
And how did I spell because?
BECAUSE.
Very good. Can you add that one to your word wall? Very good. Okay. Let's see what else. This word right here. What word should that be?
Together, because it's together.
Yep. And how did I spell it?
TOGETHER.
Very good. Can you just put that one on your word wall for me? On the T. You can break it down by to get her. It's together.
There, my room.
Very good. Now how do you spell it? Can you spell it for me?
TOGETHER.
Very good. All right, now back to yours. This word right here, how did you spell that?
Get.
Get. And what should it be?
GAT.
That would be gat.
GITE.
That would be gite.
GIT.
And we want it to be, what word do you want it to be?
Get.
Yeah, that word is actually, if you look here, can you read this sentence for me?
You can go up a ramp to get back up.
Right, so how do we spell get?
GE.
Yes, sometimes when we talk, it sounds a little bit like get. I can see where you think it would be get, but it's get. Can you add that to your word wall for me, please? Excellent. And here's another one. Oh, here's this one again. How do we spell this?
Snowboard. SNOWBOARDING.
Very good. And then read this sentence for me.
This one?
The whole sentence for detail 3.
You can go snowboarding with friends.
Okay, and now read it
Friends is
here.
wrong.
Oh, very good. What do you need to fix? Let's I'll circle it with the orange. And how should you spell friends?
FRIENDS.
Very good. Put that in the F for me. Excellent. And then read the last one.
Snowboarding is a fun sport.
You see anything that needs to be...
Sport. Wait, no.
Okay, anything else?
Only snowboarding.
Okay, can you fix that? Should we circle it though, so we know? Yeah, we'll circle it with the orange. And then how do you spell snowboarding?
S-N-O-W-O, S-N-O-W-B-O-A-R-D-I-N-G.
Way to go. You're a snowboarding champ. Excellent. Okay. So I'm going to save this and then I'll write it into your notebook later. And today, there's something else, another topic that you can think of that you'd like to write about. We can look back at your list if you need help. What's something that you might like to write about? You could write about the fire drill.
That was really lame.
So what could we say about the fire drill?
It was cold.
All right, what else?
It skipped our, it made us miss a little bit of our learning time.
Yeah, anything else?
It made us go outside for like 6 minutes.
Very good. Anything else? Did you get to see anybody? Or?
I saw 2 of my friends.
Okay, very good. So what could our topic sentence be for the fire drill?
Fire drills are cold.
Okay, all right, that's fine. Is it the fire drills that are cold though?
Outside.
Okay, so how could we rearrange that sentence to say, to make it be a complete sentence? Remember how we talked about the who and the what and the where?
Outside for fire drills are cold.
Okay, outside for fire drills are cold. Can we still change it around a little bit?
Fire drills are cold and you have to go outside in winter.
Okay, that sounds good. Write that down. Very good. Okay, and what was one of the details that you said?
It's really, it misses our learning time.
Okay, okay, another thing about fire drills?
This is going to describe our jackets.
Okay, right, we cannot stop to get our jackets because we have to just get outside, right? Oh. Did we just learn that one? Good, and what's another detail? What was a good thing that came out of it, maybe?
I didn't get burnt.
Right, that the school actually was not on fire, so that's good. Why do you think we have to do fire drills?
So we have an escape plan if there's actually a real fire.
Okay, can you put that into a sentence?
If there's a fire, so we have a escape drill.
Okay, good. And then what's a conclusion? What do you remember about doing the conclusion?